If you want to purchase the item, check the description given below.
Nerf Elite.
This is Nerf Elite Infamous, the most technically advanced blaster from Nerf. Featuring speed load technology for easy loading and faster reloading on the run. With Infamous, the battle never stops. Nerf Infamous, featuring speed load technology. Batteries not included.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Check this out, the new Mega Thunderbolt.
It's real bow action and multi-firing Mega Whistler darts with amazing distance and incredible accuracy.
Let's make it rain.
Now for the Thunderstorm. New Nerf Mega Thunderbolt with Mega Whistler darts and real bow action.
Now that was Nerf perfect.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Nerf. This is the new AccuStrike Raptor Strike, the newest member of the AccuStrike series from Nerf. With adjustable bipod, bolt action, and pop-up sight. This is the ultimate design for precision targeting. And with the AccuStrike Nerf Dart, designed for greater accuracy, this can take blasting to a whole new level. When every shot counts, this is how we play. The new AccuStrike Raptor Strike, each sold separately.
Looks like the cable guys are here.
And I got just the thing for him. Behold, the Dreadbolt, the ultimate arrow firing crossbow.
Awesome!
Blast whistling arrows, long range.
So they'll never see it coming. When battling zombies,
This is how we play.
New Nerf Zombie Strike Dreadbolt with 5 zombie eliminating arrows.
Nerf Elite.
The new Nerf Surge Fire with a high-capacity rotating drum. And Slam Fire to blast 15 darts as fast as you find a target. When you need to just keep blasting, it's Nerf or nothing. The new Surge Fire from Nerf. Inflatable barriers not for sale.